What you're looking at here is a diesel estate that has been turned into something that doesn't just look like an M3, it actually performs like an M3. And that sounds wrong, because the BMW has always been about a high revving petrol engine, sharp handling, and a very specific identity. But someone has gone through the effort of building this from scratch, blending performance parts, custom bodywork, and a diesel engine into something BMW themselves refused to make. So the question is this a genius build, or is there a good reason BMW never built this in the first place? I've got the opportunity to take this car for a drive because there's a specific reason why the owner built this car, and I'm gonna let you know about this later. My name's Trevor Joseph, you're watching Rolling Slow Media, and this is the ultimate road trip car. Before we go out for a drive in this car, I need to show you one of the biggest party pieces of this car, which makes it the perfect road trip car, and that is the boot space. Now, I didn't ever think I'd be reveling and marveling over how much boot space you have in a car, but it being a estate, you can carry all the equipment that you need to take you on a road trip. Tools, tires, everything you need. And the owner of this car built this car specifically to go to the Nürburgring. Such a great idea.
BMW never really gave us a true performance diesel estate like this. Diesel was always about efficiency, long distance, low running costs, not excitement. And when it comes to M cars, BMW kept that formula simple: higher revving petrol engines, not torque heavy diesels. So something like this was never going to exist from factory. And that's exactly why builds like this are so interesting, because someone's taken an idea BMW never pursued and actually made it real.
Anyway, let me take you on a deep dive into this car because it has some cool features.
Starting with the body. This isn't fake M3 styling, these are genuine OEM BMW M3 parts. The bonnet, front wings, even the rear quarters have been modified to fit the estate body. And around the back, the rear bumper, the upper section stays true to the F31, while the lower half is pure M3 aggression. Then you get the custom touches throughout: carbon fiber side skirts, rear diffuser, custom front splitter, custom wheel arches, and even M3 headlights, fully coated with custom lume just to make them work. But this isn't just about looks. Underneath, this thing has been seriously built. It's running upgraded cooling, twin M3 coolers and an upgraded intercooler, a K&N intake, and a full custom exhaust system. And then it's been mapped properly. We're talking over 380 bhp and, more importantly, 780 Newton meters of torque. That's diesel torque. That shoves. And unlike traditional M3s, this sends all the power to all four wheels through the xDrive four-wheel drive system. So instead of fighting the traction, this thing just grips and goes. The stance is just as serious. 19 by 10 inch wheels all round, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. So there's no shortage of grip. When it comes to suspension and handling, this is where this build gets seriously deep into engineering. This car has an adjustable geometry setup, spherical bearings throughout, solid mount rear bushes, Powerflex diff bushes, and custom Nitron R1 coilovers built specifically to work with the xDrive four-wheel drive system. This isn't thrown together, it's been thought out thoroughly. Inside the cabin, this car has been finished properly. It's been finished with Cobra Misano carbon fiber race seats that have been fully retrimmed to match the door cards, the dashboard, and the rear seats. All finished off with the BMW logo stitched into the headrests and armrests. And what build wouldn't be complete without an Alcantara custom steering wheel? This isn't just a build, it's a full transformation. Every detail has been thought through, every part carefully engineered. No shortcuts, no compromises, just a vision executed properly. On paper, it's impressive, but it's when you actually get behind the wheel that this build starts to make sense. Let's take it out for a drive.
So jumping into this BMW M3 Touring X-Drive, you instantly understand why he built this car for road trips. Because you can road trip any car, but if you're a petrol head, you want something fast, you want something sporty, but that always comes with compromise. But with this, the compromise is out the window. This thing does everything so well, so well. Oh my days, this thing handles. And that's all thanks to the Nitron suspension. It's got a square setup, which means the front wheels and the rear wheels are the same size, plus it's X-Drive. So it really puts the power down. And it's not even just about the power, it's about the torque. Because it has 780 Newton meters of it. When you're pulling along a country B road and you need to pull out from a caravan, this thing will just eat the road. Like that. Oh my God. And the brakes. This thing can stop hard. And that's what you need when you're doing a road trip. You want to drive the best roads that Europe has to offer, and you want to be able to enjoy them, as well as taking your kids and your wife to enjoy the experience too. When it comes to stopping, this car is effortless, and that is all thanks to the Pagid pads and the M3 brake setup that this car has. And this road trip car wouldn't be complete without seats to keep you hugged in when you're cornering hard along the Nürburgring. And this one's been fitted with some Cobra carbon fiber seats, which really hug you so you don't roll around like you would if you were sitting in standard BMW 335 diesel seats.
At its core, this BMW is everything BMW diesels are known for. Reliable, practical, effortless, but this isn't your typical tuned wagon. Instead of stopping at the basics, this build pushes it into something BMW never had the nerve to make: a diesel X-Drive M3 Touring.
It's been an absolute pleasure taking this car out today. It really is the one car that does everything. You can take this car on track. You can even take tires and tools in the back because it's an estate. You can take your kids to school. You can take your wife to Pilates. This BMW M3 X-Drive Touring will do everything you need it to do. And I do not understand why BMW never made this car. I want to send a big shout to Noel at Piston Labs for letting me take this out for the day. Thank you so much. We've got more content from Piston Labs coming. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. I will catch you in the next video. Take care, peace.